How you doing, everybody? My name is Brian, and you guys probably know me on YouTube, Instagram. Everything is 916 Brian the Barber. And today I just wanted to review about the Ingrid Universal Magnetic Guard for hair clippers. So in the past, I'll speak about right now, just give you a little history of why do people like magnetic guards. Mainly because everybody has different experiences with different brands and always trying to find out if there's something that snaps on real tight to the clipper where it doesn't slip off while in the professional during haircuts. That's very embarrassing, and I messed up too, and I don't like that. Yeah. So in the past, we're going to talk about this. Andis magnetic guards. This is how it looks like. This is in the past. Andis makes great products, great company, great everything. But Andis at the time was trying to create a universal magnetic guard. So in order to show you guys, well, I'll just take the 8 guard, slap it on there. Yeah, this is the Oster Fast Feed, another great clipper company. And they don't slip out, But the key word is universal. It means does it work on every clipper? Okay, we're going to take the same one by Andis, use it on Wahl. I mean, technically they work, but if you can see, it's kind of wobbly. So some people did not like that. So that's why a lot of people did not order that for to test the product on. And then so, of course, the Wahl company responded with their own product. So in order to have a better plastic guard, so this doesn't have a magnet, but this is one of the Wahl premium guards. And if you snap it on there, great, So we talked about Oster, we talked about Andis, of course. I'm going to use the Andis cordless Babyliss Clipper, and we'll try it out. In terms of magnetic, works. Snaps on, secure. I'm going to talk about Andis Master. Some people like using this. This one works. Cool, secure. Mainly, I think this is designed for Andis, but now we're going to talk about some other things now. So, back to the question: is it universal? Okay, well, so Oster has these detachable blades. You probably a detachable clipper kind guy. If you use the Andis kind, snaps on, secure. So Andis wins again on that one. Okay, now we're like, okay, well, we're going to use the Ingrid guard now. The Ingrid guard takes these guys, magnetic. So it's kind of weird. Remember the beginning? I said that the magnetic guard does not, or the Andis magnetic guard doesn't work on a Wahl clipper. So as you can see, this not very secure, but once again, we're talking universal. So if we're talking about, depending on how you cut, barbers, hairstylists, if you guys cut hair going back and forth like this, well, you're not supposed to pretend this is someone's head. You're not supposed to rock back and forth. If you keep rocking back and forth, you're not. You're actually supposed to cut hair, lightly flick it out a little bit, and then brush off the hair off the clipper, but not like extremely a lot, like say you don't want to go like this, of course it's going to fall out, But as you can see, fell off, Someone's not going to like that, So, but answer back to universal magnetic guard. We're going to try it on, once again, Ingrid guard. Slap it on. I feel like it's pretty sturdy. We're going to try it on the Andis Master. It's good, not really secure. So, once again, I mean, they are cuttable, but if you just go straight in like that, you'll be fine. But if you're going to go in and rock back out and go like this, like that, not going to work. Yeah. So, it's all technique. We're going to use a Wahl product now. Wahl, the Legends, snapped on really nice and tight. Yeah. So you can't, this, if you're going to go with Wahl, no problem. Honestly, I think they're, I honestly think they can be universal, but, you know, it's kind of hard because all Clipper guards, it's a business, and they're going to make guards that are always for their own products. You know? So if you're a guy like me that likes to have one set of guards just for every brand of Clippers, so yes, win, you know. But if you're talking about price, the price and the quality, that's another win. So eBay seller, I'm going to put the link on the bottom. They cost about I want to say $24. Comes with a full set of 8 guards, and honestly, I think they're, in my opinion, once again, I feel like they were designed for Wahl guards. So it's like a Wahl magnetic guard, real cool. But if we're going to talk about other Clippers, then Universal, not exactly sure. Yeah. So we're going to do the test right now. So that works. It's like, if you could see, in my opinion, I feel like the Ingrid Universal Clipper is a combination of basically the Andis Magnetic Guard Clipper. Right there, you see the magnet. And the Wahl Premium Guards. I feel like they like fused it together, and then Ingrid Magnetic Clipper, or Magnetic Guard, you know, I take it back. So there it is, you know. So about $24, including shipping on eBay. I think it's a win, but if you're more for a certain brand of Clippers, like if you use all Andis Clippers, all Wahl Clippers, well then, you know, it's all about personal preference. But just remember, doing the math, you know, Andis Magnetic Guards, probably when I was in barber college, spent about at least $45 to get a full set, you know. Wahl Premium Guards, including the half and everything, it's cool. So I think it's a deal, you know. But like I said, it's all about personal preference. Once again, thanks for watching my video. Comment, rate, subscribe. If you're, once again, I will drop the link in the description, and yeah, let me know what you guys think. You know. All right, take care now. All right, bye bye.